Hi, I'm Laura Gwyn of Gail Gwyn Properties, and you are at 511 Stagecoach Way Southeast in Salem, Oregon, which won the Premier Home of the Year for the 1973 Parade of Homes as Best of Show. This architectural, late mid-century modern, one-of-a-kind masterpiece is located in one of Salem's premier subdivisions on a private 90 by 100 foot lot. The open beam high ceilings and gas fireplace in the living room have offered many private group retreats of 20 or more people comfortably, with room for a piano. This home is filled with floor-to-ceiling windows and natural light, as well as many French doors that open to private, outside living square footage. The large chef's kitchen is masterfully designed with 4 separate prep spaces with sinks, acting as the hub of the home for waffle Saturdays and family gatherings. The very large, oversized utility room on the main level was originally designed as a maidservant suite. With its own full-size bathroom, it could easily be converted into a main-level master suite. Two beautiful staircases take you to the upstairs landing area with view, where you quickly discover the 4 large bedrooms, of which 2 have full private baths. The office, with its leaded glass windows, intricate wood parquet floors, wood paneling, heavy timbered ceiling beams, and gas fireplace easily make this an additional oasis. This home is move-in ready, offering peace and tranquility. You'll be the envy of many, as neighbors know and often comment on this beautiful, architecturally designed home.